Okay, so we are at the launch of 837X, the new renovated version of this building. All right, let's go in. The reopening is here now. Let's head in. Ooh. Okay, so people are saying they're stuck. I think maybe it's too many people to handle. Uh, so right around here where my cursor is where they had. Oh, okay. Right around here is where they had the countdown, and I can't see the countdown anymore. It is 8:37 Eastern Standard Time, and we're expecting this to open, but it looks like it hasn't opened yet. Trying to go in. It. Okay. I'll go back out. Okay, let's ask if anyone is inside. Well, this is interesting. I'll stick around.